swollen legs, stiff joints, or that heavy dragging feeling after sitting too long. Sound familiar? These are your body's early warning signs that it's running low on one of its most important building blocks, collagen. After the age of 60, your body's natural collagen levels can drop like a rock. And that's when the swelling, stiffness, and slow recovery begin to creep in. But here's the good news. You can fight back naturally. Today, I'll show you 8 powerful collagen-rich foods that can help reduce swelling, rebuild your joints, and bring back that light, flexible feeling in your legs, all without pills or expensive creams. You'll be shocked how simple these foods are and how fast you'll start feeling the difference. So before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to Golden Life Health, your trusted place for natural, science-backed senior wellness tips. Egg yolks. You might be surprised to hear this, but egg yolks are one of the most powerful collagen-supporting foods for your legs and joints. While most people focus on egg whites for their protein, it's actually the yolks that hold the key to keeping your joints strong and flexible. Egg yolks are packed with biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, 3 essential nutrients that help your body produce collagen more efficiently. One of the most critical ingredients in egg yolks is sulfur. This tiny mineral helps form the amino acids that make up collagen. Without enough sulfur, your collagen production can slow down, leading to weak ligaments and painful joints, especially as you age. A study published in 2020 revealed something fascinating. People who ate whole eggs for breakfast 5 days a week saw a 22% drop in joint discomfort, especially in their knees and lower back. Even more impressive, the improvements were most noticeable in adults over 60. If you're looking to protect your knees, hips, or ankles, don't skip the yolk. Just make sure you cook them right. The best way to preserve their collagen-boosting power is to eat them soft-boiled, poached, or lightly fried in olive oil. These gentle methods keep the nutrients intact, while the olive oil adds healthy fats that help your body absorb vitamins better. So tomorrow morning, when you're making breakfast, remember, the yolk is your friend. Pumpkin seeds now. Let's move on to one of the smallest but mightiest foods for your joints. Pumpkin seeds. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds are loaded with zinc, magnesium, and manganese, all crucial minerals that help your body produce collagen and reduce inflammation naturally. Zinc activates the enzymes that jumpstart collagen production. Magnesium helps calm inflammation, while manganese keeps your connective tissues, like cartilage and ligaments, strong and flexible. In fact, a 2021 study found that adults over 65 who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks saw a 19% reduction in swelling and a 27% improvement in joint flexibility. That's huge, and all from a handful of seeds a day. The best part? They're super easy to include in your meals. You can eat them raw, dry roasted, or even soak them overnight to boost nutrient absorption. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or just snack on them directly. Consistency is the secret. A small handful every day can bring big changes in how your joints feel. Pumpkin seeds might look tiny, but they deliver massive support to your body. Over time, they can help you say goodbye to that stiffness and swelling that makes moving feel like work. Bone-in canned salmon. When it comes to collagen-rich foods, bone-in canned salmon is one of the most underrated superfoods out there. Most people don't realize that the soft, edible bones inside the can are loaded with collagen, calcium, and gelatin, 3 nutrients that your joints absolutely love. Together, they help rebuild cartilage, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the tissues around your knees, hips, and ankles. A 2020 study revealed that seniors who ate bone-in salmon just 3 times per week experienced a 32% improvement in knee flexibility and a 21% drop in inflammation. Imagine that. Less swelling, smoother movement, and less pain, all from something as simple as salmon. Now, here's the secret. You need to eat the bones. Don't throw them away. They're soft, they mash easily into the fish, and that's where most of the collagen magic is hiding. You can mix the mashed salmon into salads, spread it on toast, or toss it into warm rice bowls for a delicious, joint-nourishing meal. What makes this so powerful is its simplicity. Bone-in salmon is affordable, easy to store, and quick to prepare. You're not relying on fancy supplements or expensive powders, just real, natural food that works. So the next time you're at the store, skip the boneless version and go for the one with bones. Your joints will thank you with every step you take. Chicken skin, for years we were told to peel off the chicken skin because it was unhealthy. But here's the truth. That crispy, golden skin is packed with type 1 collagen, the same type that forms your ligaments, cartilage, and joints. Eating it in moderation can actually help rebuild the connective tissues that keep your knees and hips flexible and pain-free. Clinical study on adults over 55 found that those who consumed poultry collagen daily saw a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness in just 12 weeks. That's not a small difference. That's life-changing for anyone struggling with swelling or stiffness. The trick is in how you cook it. To keep the collagen intact, cook chicken skin slowly, either by roasting it or simmering it in broth. High-heat frying can damage the collagen, so it's best to skip that method. Roasted or gently simmered chicken skin gives you both amazing flavor and real joint nourishment. Think about it. You're not just eating for taste anymore. You're eating to move better, feel lighter, and stay strong. Chicken skin, when prepared the right way, becomes your body's natural joint supplement. Delicious, affordable, and incredibly effective. So next time you cook a chicken, don't throw away that skin. Keep it, cook it slow, and let it work its healing magic on your joints. Gelatin. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated yet powerful foods for joint support. Gelatin. Most people think of gelatin as something used for desserts, but in reality, it's a pure collagen source that your body can easily absorb and use to repair joints, ligaments, and tendons. When you eat gelatin, it goes straight to work, rebuilding the connective tissue that helps you move freely and comfortably. A 2018 study proved just how powerful gelatin can be, especially for seniors. Participants who took gelatin daily saw a 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 27% reduction in inflammation within just 6 weeks. That's right. No expensive pills, no injections, just simple, natural food doing what your body needs most. The best part? It's incredibly easy to include gelatin in your diet. You can use unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder and dissolve it in warm water, tea, or even coffee. Or if you want a fun twist, make your own collagen-rich gummies using gelatin and natural fruit juice. Either way, you'll be giving your joints a steady supply of the collagen they've been craving. Consistency is key. Just a few teaspoons a day can lead to long-term results. Less swelling, better flexibility, and smoother movement. Gelatin is one of those simple, low-cost habits that pays off massively over time. Think of it as food therapy. Rebuilding your joints from the inside out, one sip at a time. Sardines with skin and bones. You've probably seen sardines on grocery store shelves and ignored them. But that little can might hold the answer to your joint pain and stiffness. Sardines, especially when eaten with their skin and bones, are loaded with type 1 collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and omega-3 fatty acids. The perfect combination. For supporting healthy joints, a 2022 study found that seniors who ate sardines 3 times per week experienced a 29% reduction in joint pain and a 25% decrease in swelling. The results were even stronger for people over 60, thanks to the high bioavailability of collagen and minerals found in sardine bones and skin. If you want to get the full benefits, Don't remove the skin or bones. That's where the collagen lives. Mash the sardines with a fork and spread them on toast with avocado, mix them into salads, or blend them into a creamy dip with Greek yogurt and mustard for a milder flavor. Regularly adding sardines to your meals helps strengthen the cartilage that cushions your joints, reduces inflammation, and improves overall flexibility. Plus, they're incredibly affordable and shelf-stable, making them perfect for anyone on a budget. These small fish may not look impressive, but they deliver big results for your legs and joints. If you've been searching for a natural way to reduce swelling and stiffness, this is it. A simple, proven, and science-backed food that truly works. Bone broth. Let's move to one of the most soothing and healing foods on earth, bone broth. Imagine a warm, nourishing drink that not only comforts you but also repairs your joints from within. That's exactly what bone broth does. When bones are simmered for hours, they release collagen, gelatin, and amino acids, all of which are essential for joint flexibility, cartilage repair, and reduced swelling. 2021 clinical study showed that seniors who drank just 1 cup of bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% boost in mobility. That's a dramatic difference. And it didn't come from any pills or expensive supplements, but from something as simple as food. To get the best results, make your bone broth from bones rich in connective tissue. Chicken backs, turkey necks, or beef knuckles work best. Simmer them slowly for 12 to 24 hours, allowing all the collagen and minerals to be fully released. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar to draw out even more nutrients from the bones, and toss in onion, garlic, and herbs for flavor and extra anti-inflammatory benefits. If making broth from scratch feels like too much work, you can also buy high-quality bone broth from the store. Just make sure it's organic and free from additives or artificial flavors. The closer it is to homemade, the better it'll work for your joints. Sip it on its own, use it as a soup base, or even mix it with vegetables for a filling, collagen-rich meal. Over time, you'll start to notice that your knees, hips, and ankles feel smoother and more flexible. Bone broth isn't just food, it's joint therapy in a cup, helping your body rebuild what time has taken away. Beef tendons. Now, let's talk about something most people ignore. Beef tendons. They might not sound fancy, but when it comes to collagen content, these are pure gold. Beef tendons are loaded with type 1 and type 3 collagen, the exact types your body needs to rebuild ligaments, cartilage, and connective tissue. A 2022 study revealed something incredible. Seniors who ate beef tendon stew 3 times a week showed a 63% improvement in joint fluid density and a 41% reduction in knee stiffness. Imagine that, just from adding a simple, natural food to your meals. The secret lies in how you cook them. Tendons need slow cooking to unlock their full collagen potential. Simmer them for 8 to 12 hours in a flavorful broth until they turn soft and jelly-like. Once cooked, they can be added to soups, stews, or even noodles. The texture might take a bit of getting used to, but the benefits are absolutely worth it. When you eat beef tendons, you're essentially giving your body a direct collagen infusion, helping your joints regain strength, flexibility, and comfort. It's one of the most affordable, nutrient-rich foods you can find, especially for seniors dealing with daily aches and stiffness. By including beef tendons in your diet, you're not just eating for today, you're rebuilding your body for the years ahead. It's a small change with massive long-term rewards. So there you have it. 8 collagen-rich foods that can help reduce swelling, rebuild joints, and bring back that light, strong feeling in your legs. No pills, no gimmicks, just natural, proven nutrition. Remember, after 60, your body is still capable of healing and strengthening itself. It just needs the right fuel. Start small. Add 1 or 2 of these foods to your meals this week. Maybe a cup of bone broth for lunch or some sardines on toast. Over time, you'll begin to notice your legs feeling lighter, your joints moving easier, and that old stiffness starting to fade away. And here's the thing. You deserve to move freely again. You deserve comfort, energy, and the confidence to live life without limits. Your body isn't giving up. It's waiting for you to give it what it needs to heal. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life Health for more proven senior health tips and natural solutions that actually work. Because here on Golden Life Health, we believe that growing older doesn't mean slowing down. It means getting wiser about how we care for our bodies. So stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.